So Gardens of Somerset is a multi-generational community where we will offer independent living cottages, and we have 20 of those. And we also will have independent living apartments, assisted living apartments, and also a memory care unit within our building. I have worked with the ownership and management team again since 2010, and we know the business, we know the senior living business, and we were able to connect with Alan, with P. Allen Smith, and really combine his talents, his love for gardening, and have him help us with all the programmatics of the community that we'll need, and combine our knowledge of assisted living and kind of marry the two and be able to create an amazing place for someone to live when they get to the point where they need a little bit extra help.